Welcome back to the channel, guys. Donnie D back at you. So today I'm going to do another type of video. What I'm going to do is I'm going to speak about what my company does to make sure that everyone out there who does see this video in the future knows exactly what my company does and what actually my company is capable of doing. Okay, so first and foremost, we specialize in tile installation and full bathroom remodeling. So you want a tile installed anywhere in your residential home. We do some commercial, but mainly residential. Anywhere in your home, your backsplash, your shower, your floor, your entryway, anywhere you want tile, we can install for you, okay? Simple as that. What kind of bathrooms we do? Well, we do any type of residential bathrooms from top to bottom. We can either just do your shower, your fixtures, your floor, or we can do a complete full remodel down to the studs, update all the mechanicals like the electrical, the plumbing, even the HVAC if we have to. Usually we don't, but the plumbing and electrical is most important. Your insulation, make sure everything is insulated properly, so you know you have a nice airtight bathroom, all those kind of things, and then obviously everything else that has to do with it. So let's say you want to remodel your bathroom. Well, we can handle that for you from top to bottom. I'm talking from the demo all the way up to the painting. We do the tile work and the carpentry in-house, and we have plumbers, electricians, and painters that we work with to get the project done. So it's basically turnkey. One thing at the moment that we do not do is we do not supply the materials. And when I'm talking about materials, we don't supply like the tile, the fixtures, things like that. If you're not really sure what kind of tile you want, or you want to just keep it basic, we can supply the tile. But as far as the plumbing fixtures and things like that, electrical fixtures, lights, things you see, we usually let our clients pick out those and supply those, things like that. So what else do I do? So I specialize, like I said, in tile and full bathrooms. But if I am working on your house, you need other work done, I am actually a carpenter. So anything that has to do with that in your house, it can mean, you want some drywall hung and finished, you want some molding work, you want some doors installed, interior, anything like that. I also do LVP flooring. I don't aim towards that way. I don't advertise for that or market for that, but let's say I'm there, you want some LVP flooring or laminate, we can install that for you. Whatever you need done carpentry wise in the house, we can get it done for you. Like I said, our specialty is nice walk-in showers, tile work, and full bathroom remodels. So I hope this sums it up for you. If I missed something, or there's something that maybe you have that I might be able to help you with, please let me know how. You can leave them in the comments section below, send me a message, contact me as many different ways, and I'm happy to answer your questions and help you out for your project any way I can. Thanks for tuning in. If you haven't already and you like watching my kind of videos here that have to do with tile and bathrooms, please consider subscribing, and while you're at it, hit that like button. And if you want to be notified about future videos that we put out, which is anywhere from 1 to 2 times a week, hit that bell and you get notified and know exactly when they come out. Thanks for tuning in. Donnie D signing off.